Have you noticed the price at the pump lately? Well, a major story is unfolding on the high seas that could have a big impact on global oil markets. It turns out a massive amount of Iranian crude oil is just sitting on tankers, floating at sea. We're talking about the highest volume we've seen in 2.5 years. So, what's going on here? Data from the shipping intelligence firm Kpler reveals a staggering 52 million barrels of Iranian oil are currently in what's called floating storage. To put that in perspective, that's nearly double the amount from just a month ago. Back in January, this number was only around 5 to 10 million barrels. That's a huge and rapid increase. The main reason for this pileup seems to be a slowdown in demand from its number one customer, China. Even though Iran is still pumping out and exporting a lot of oil, China isn't buying it up as quickly as it used to. This has created a sort of traffic jam on the water. Roughly half of this floating oil, about 26 million barrels, is anchored off the coast of Malaysia, which often acts as a transfer point for oil heading to China. This situation tells us a couple of important things. First, it highlights a potential softness in China's economy. When the world's largest oil importer slows down its purchases, it sends ripples across the entire energy sector. It suggests that China's industrial activity and overall fuel consumption might not be as robust as many had hoped. Second, this surplus of oil could put downward pressure on global prices. When there's more supply available than immediate demand, prices tend to fall. While Iran's exports have been high, this growing inventory at sea means there's a large reserve that could hit the market at any time, potentially keeping a lid on any major price spikes. It's a complex dance of supply, demand, and geopolitics. The movements of these tankers are a key indicator for energy traders and economists trying to figure out where the market is headed next. We'll be keeping a close eye on whether China's demand picks back up or if this floating stockpile continues to grow. What do you think this means for gas prices this summer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you found this informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the global economy. See you next time.